Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm showing how I created my own spring twist hair using braiding hair. And I had previously custom blended the braiding hair to create this beautiful fall color. But if you guys want to see how I did the twist, keep on watching.
She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond.
Okay guys, if you want to see how I created this color, make sure you check out this the previous video I did, which I will link right here. This is just expression braiding hair. I blended 3 colors to create it. I use kebab sticks to wrap the hair around. That's what I call them. I think that's the name. And I use rubber bands to secure it just so they don't unravel. So starting out, I just sectioned out my desired amount of hair that I wanted to use. I try not to make it too thick or too thin. I really just try to guess how much is usually used in the regular spring twist hair. And so I wrapped it around the kebab sticks and twisted it. And I realized that this is a really bad angle. And so I will come around to the other side to show you guys how I am wrapping it around. So I'm just twisting the hair as I'm wrapping it around. And then I'm making sure that the twists I'm making sure that they are close together just to give it a more tighter curl. So if you didn't want such tight curls, you could just leave some space in between as you're wrapping it. So I try to pay attention to where I was placing the hair on the stick to start the wrap, just so that way when I got at the ends, it would finish off at the tip of the stick, just to make it easier to put that rubber band on. This hair was stretched out really good, so the ends got really thin, and so it made it easier to stay when I was wrapping it at the end. But I still went ahead and used rubber bands to secure the ends. There were a few sticks that I didn't have rubber bands on, but you can place a rubber band at the very ends, and then you can also place it at the top, so that it just, because I found that sometimes that top of the twist started to slide up a little bit. So again, if you want it to be a tight curl, you can place those rubber bands there just to hold the hair in place so it doesn't move. I'm showing you guys again doing the exact same thing. Just make sure as you're wrapping, you are twisting the hair as well. That is very important to make sure that it looks like it comes out right, to look like the spring twist hair. And then my son couldn't help himself but to show his pretty face in the video. And then so I did do a couple twists of that color 350. I thought it looked really cute, just to give it some highlights. I'm thinking I want to do some butterfly locks with this, just to see how it looks. You guys give me some ideas of a style that I can use this hair before just to see, you know, the result of it. So this is all the sticks that I had did. I plan on doing some more, but this is how it looks. And so I just placed it in a little bucket, and using my teapot that I boiled the hot water in, I just poured the hot water over all of the hair. One of the twists did come undone, and of course it was one that didn't have rubber bands. I'm going to show you guys later how that one looked at the end, because I'm going to split that one apart. So after I have dipped it in hot water, then I just set it in my sink. You can place it over some towels. I just set it in my sink because I poured the hot water back over the sticks one last time, and then I set it overnight and let it dry. And so this is the next morning. I put some mousse on it. And then I let that dry for a couple minutes, and then once that was ready, I just used some sheen spray to give it a little bit of shine. I think I could have done this after I took it off of the sticks, but I guess it really doesn't matter. And then I just took it off of the kebab sticks, just being gentle. I didn't want to mess up the curls a lot, so if you're doing this, just take your time when you're unraveling it, because you want your curls to come out really straight. Some of the curls did bend a little bit. I was being a little too rough, but it still came out good. Look how bouncy and nice that looks. I really love how it looks. Some of those ends, I just use the scissors to clip off the rough parts. This is really nice. This is so perfect if you cannot find some spring twist hair in a specific color. You can create your own color blend. I just thought this was really unique and really cool. When I seen this, I just had to try it for myself. This is how it looked, the finishing product, when I was all done. So pretty. Again, you guys will have to let me know what type of style you think this would look really nice on that I can try. Again, I was thinking butterfly locks. You can use this for passion twists. So many different styles. You can just crochet it in and just rock it. And then I told you guys I would show you how that one piece of hair looked that came undone. So I'm just taking that out and I'm just really opening it up for you guys to see how the hair looks when it's split apart. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. You guys be blessed, stay protected, and filled with love and peace.